Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial on Linux command. In today's tutorial, we are diving into tail command, a powerful tool every system administrator and developer or on a Linux should be master. Let me show you the manual page for tail. Tail is a command line utility used in Linux to view the last few lines of the files. It's incredible useful for monitoring logs, debugging errors, and tracking changes in real time. This is a basic syntax, tail, option, and a file. By default, tail displays the last 10 lines of the specified files. For example, to check the system message, you would run tail where log messages. You can see the system logs like boot message or service status, which are important for troubleshooting the system behavior. Let's see the option with the tail command. So tail -f option is the best friend for real-time monitoring. It's especially handy when troubleshooting security related events. For example, to monitor authentication logs, use tail -f followed by the file name where logs secure. This will show you the real-time login attempts, helping you to spot any suspicious activity very quickly. Let's see the another option, tail -n. Sometimes the default 10 lines aren't enough. Use -n followed by the number to specify how many lines you want. For instance, checking the Apache error logs with tail -n 20 will show you the last 20 lines of error message, which is useful when debugging issue with your web server. I will give the file name where log httpd error underscore log files. So let's see the practical use case for debugging the web application. Imagine a scenario where your web application is not loading. You can check the Apache logs to troubleshoot. Let's run tail -f where log httpd error underscore log to see the real-time errors message from the web server. It's keep on getting the updated logs here because we are using -f. If there are a configuration issue or missing file or a permission problem, you will find it here. This gives you an instant insight which are needed to quickly fix the issue without browsing the static logs. How to combine multiple options? Let me give an example, like I want to see 50 lines and also I want to check the where log messages, plus I've used -f to get the updated logs as well. Combining -f with -n to monitor the logs with additional context. Here we are telling the last 50 lines of the secure log file to track SSH login attempts in a real time. If I take another access, you will get a log here. As you can see, the updated logs has been displayed here. I have taken another SSH access on my terminal. The logs has been shown in a real time. Let's see. Let's see tailing a multiple files, how we can tail multiple files, like example where log messages I want to tail, as well as I want to see another file named as secure. So if you want to monitor multiple logs, just simply specify multiple files. This is invaluable for troubleshooting complex system with interdependent services. For example, Checking both the system messages and secure logs at the same time helps you correlate events. This output shows the most recent logs, each line providing a critical details like timestamp, error levels, and messages. Interpreting this data quickly is a key to effectively troubleshooting. For example, if you see permission denied in a Apache error log, it's clear that the web server does not have necessary access right to the file or a directory. That's it for today's exploration of the tail command. Whether you are debugging, monitoring, or analyzing logs, tail is an essential tool in Linux toolkit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Comments below with your favorite use case for tail command. Thanks for watching.